Welcome to Harris Math Science. Today we're looking at fundamental counting principles. So working at the total possible outcomes or different ways that a separate event can occur. So this basically means if you were to play touch lotto, you'd be looking at the chances of winning touch lotto, so all possible outcomes. So let's have a go at a couple of example questions. Let's say you've got a spinning wheel here, like the one on the right hand side, and it's got 50 numbers on it. Therefore, there must be 50 possible outcomes. Let's say you've got a second wheel and you wanted to spin that at exactly the same time, and you wanted the numbers 1 on the first wheel and maybe the number 9 on the second wheel to come up. So the way to work that one out is working out the number of possible outcomes for the first wheel, which is 50, multiplied by 50 outcomes for the second wheel. Therefore, your answer would be 2,500. And this would be 2,500 different possible outcomes. Let's say you've got a third wheel here and you wanted to spin that at exactly the same time as the first wheel and the second wheel. So you wanted the first wheel to land on a 1, second wheel to land on a 5, and the third wheel to land on a 12. What are your possible outcomes? The way to work it out is 50 multiplied by 50 for the second wheel, multiplied by 50 for the third wheel. And that would be 125,000 total possible outcomes. Okay, let's put this question onto you now and have a go at this one. Can you work out how many possible outcomes there are for making a 4-digit PIN? The first digit must be a number, okay, so any number. The second digit must be a letter, not X, Y, Z. The third digit must be a number 5 or lower. 0 cannot be included. And the fourth digit is any letter. Have a go at this question whilst you pause the video. Okay, how'd you go with this question? Okay, let's work this out now. So the first digit must be a number. So that can be 10 numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the first digit must be 10. Okay, now we need to multiply it by the possible outcomes for the second digit. Now it can't be X, Y, Z. Okay, and there's 26 letters in the alphabet. Take away the 3 letters X, Y, Z. So therefore the total possible outcomes would be 23. Now multiply it by the third digit. Now the total possible outcomes for the third digit, okay, so the third digit must be a number 5 or lower. So 5 or lower. So therefore, there must be 5 possible outcomes. Multiplied by the fourth digit, which is any letter of the alphabet. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. So therefore, it would be 26. All you need to do is 10 times 23 times 5, multiplied by 26 to see what your answer is. How'd you go? Was your answer 29,900? If so, you did a great job. I really hope this video helped everyone, and we'll see you next time.